Want a quick summer glow up in less than 5 minutes? Then this makeup video is for you. So let's start by covering up all these dark circles and acne marks and spots. You can see the redness as well. So I'm starting off with the CeraVe moisturizing lotion and applying it with my fingers all over the face. I'm leaving this for a while so that it gets completely absorbed into the skin. Next, for primer, I'm using this Smashbox Hydrating Primer and applying it in the center area of the face to reduce the oiliness. Today I'm going for Himalaya lip balm, and this hydrates the lips for a very long time. So for concealer, I'll be using Girl Pro Conceal. I'm using a darker shade so that I can hide all the imperfections and marks. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 2 Beige and applying it with a flat brush. I'm lightly applying it and I don't want a full coverage, as summers are usually very hot and sweaty, so I want it to be as light as much as possible. To get that natural looking base, I'm going on with the beauty blender and dabbing it, and you can see that I'm not swiping it. By swiping, you will move your makeup and it will not stay in place. That's why I am just dabbing it. For cream blush, I'm using Candy Paint and applying it on the higher points of my cheeks. You can see how flushed my cheek looks, and I'm applying it on both sides and also applying on the nose for that sun-kissed look. To set my base, I'm using a Tarte compact powder, and with this brush I am gently dabbing it on the center area of my face where it tends to get oily. For bronzer, I'm using Kimchi bronzer and applying it on my cheekbones, jawline, and a bit on my forehead as well. I'm also applying it on my nose, and this just makes your nose look smaller. For eyebrows, I'm using Golden Rose eyebrow pencil, and I'm starting from the outer area and then gently moving in the front. I want the brows to look as natural as much as possible, and with the spoolie, I'm brushing it all out. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Girl palette, and with this brown shade, I'm applying it all over my crease. For that fuller looking lashes, I'm using this Maybelline Sky High mascara and coating up to 2 or 3 times. You can see the difference as well. And for lipstick, I'm going on with this MAC one, and the shade is a little dimmed. I use a little amount of it, and then with my finger I just blend it all out. You can see that this will just give that natural lips with a bit of tint. This is the finished summer glow makeup. Can you imagine that I created this glowy makeup without using a highlighter? If you learned something from this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.